So we're still in absolute values. 3C is right in absolute value inequality when given a graph. So we did a little bit of this in class, but I just want to reiterate what we did in class. So anytime you have filled in circle, that's either going to be less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. The equal to is what fills it in. Equal to, that's what fills the circle in. Open circle, that's greater than or less than. So when we're looking at this inequality, it's filled in circles, so we know they're going to be equal to's. You always start with the smallest, the lowest number. So, and we see that it's shaded in between. Anytime it's in between, these are and problems. So we write them as a compound inequality. Start with the lowest number, and then always less than or equal to in this case. X less than or equal to biggest number, 8. Number 2, these are shaded in opposite directions. Remember in class talking about the boat oar, they kind of look like oars, boat oars. So it's an or problem. So we're going to write two different inequalities. We have to start with X or whatever variable you want. It's less than, not equal to, because it's an open circle, and it's less than 0. Or open circle at 1, so X is greater than, so it's going to the right, greater than 1. There we go. So either or can happen. Either X has to be less than 0, or X has to be greater than 1. Not both, either one. Graphing the following. So at the beginning of the year, we learned about absolute values, parent functions a little bit, and what transformations happen from minus 2 on the outside means we go down 2. Minus 5 on the inside means we go right 5. So parent function of y equals absolute value of x, the coordinates that I hadn't memorized, you should have memorized 0, 0, 1, 1, negative 1, negative 1. So 1, 1, 0, 0, negative 1, 1. We have to take all those coordinates and translate them right and down. So we go right. So 0, 0 is going to go right. Sorry. Right 5 and down 2. So it goes right 5, down 2 each point. So 0, 1, 1 goes right 5, down 2. And negative 1, negative 1, or negative 1, positive 1 goes right 5, down 2. And you draw the, now it's, for this, less than or greater than, that is going to be a dashed line. That's how we distinguish between less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. This is going to be a solid line. So we have less than here, less than will be a dashed line. And then we look at, is it less than or greater than? So if it's greater than or equal to, shade above. So we do have to shade with these just like the other on a number line. If it's less than or equal to, we shade below. It's kind of exactly what you would think. Less than below, greater than above. So it is a greater than sign, so we shade above the line. And that's it. Number 4. Here we're going to have absolute value again. We're going to shade. So we're going to go right 4 and up 1. So right 4, up 1. That's from 0, 0. The other 2 points are 1 up and to the right and 1 up and to the left. And is it going to be solid or dashed? Hopefully you're saying solid. Why is it solid? Because it's equal to. Because it's equal to. And then we got to look at greater than or less than. Well, in this case it happens to be greater than again, so we shade above. If it was less than, we would shade below the line. But it's good. Come class with any questions you have. Remember, you do have a unit test coming up on Thursday, the 29th. So start looking over Unit 1, Unit 2, and all of Unit 3. Come to class with questions. Thank you.